Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a lead magnet using Mailchimp. First, identify your ideal audience and what valuable content they need. This could be a free guide, a template, or a mini course. Next, create a dedicated audience in Mailchimp for these new subscribers. Then, design a clear and engaging sign-up form to collect their email addresses and names. Now let's focus on the lead magnet itself. Develop high-quality content that truly helps your audience. Once complete, save it in an easily downloadable format, like a PDF. Then, upload this file to a reliable hosting service. This ensures your subscribers can access it smoothly. Make sure the download link is public and functional before proceeding. Next, we'll automate the delivery using Mailchimp. Set up an automated welcome email that triggers immediately after someone signs up. In this first email, include the direct download link to your lead magnet. Personalize the message to make it feel warm and inviting. This ensures your new subscribers receive their valuable resource instantly. Finally, it's time to promote and test your setup. Embed your Mailchimp sign-up form prominently on your website and relevant landing pages. Share your lead magnet across your social media channels to reach a wider audience. Crucially, test the entire process from sign-up to download multiple times. Monitor your subscriber growth and engagement to optimize your strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.